I'm gonna get this cake. Boom. Hello. It's like, boom. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Sploosh. We're going to be doing a lot of dine and design tasting dinners where after talking with each couple, creating a hopefully customized, at least to their liking and what they want for their wedding day atmosphere and whatnot. Creating a customized menu, having you guys try my food and be able to create something that you guys are incredibly excited about to not just partake but also to serve to your guests. And so that'll be super fun. You guys will be able to come here, see everything in action as if, you know, it's like a little sampling of your wedding day. You get to have it like twice. It's kind of cool. We're trying to do some smaller events and whatnot here and there. It's just kind of whatever is available, and potentially opening up rooms in the morning to serve y'all breakfast throughout the week. There's a lot of things going. We're trying to figure and hone in exactly what we're trying to do for the next year, but it will, first and foremost, weddings come first, and doing tastings and getting you guys set and sufficed and excited about your wedding day. That's like my top priority because food is the best part. Yeah, I don't know. What else? What else are we doing? I will be planning my garden as well because I'm going to try to, you know, get you guys food and nourishment from the ground up to be able to serve you guys farm fresh produce and as much as possible. It's kind of hard when you're, you know, making a lot of food for people to have that quantity, but I'm going to do my darndest. I'm really good with green beans, so if you like green beans, I got you. But yeah, planting the garden and flowers and just having fun with getting ready for the next year and spilling sweet, sweet frosting. It's okay. I'm good at cleaning up messes. Little base layer. It just shoop. That has never happened. Eric still to this day is gonna cake me at some point, and I'm always on my guard, you know. When a man says he's gonna put your face in the cake, you gotta be ready for that, so. All right, base layer. Yeah, so this is just like the first layer, put it in the refrigerator, get it set, and that's when I make it all nice and pretty, you know. Whoop. So